Set it and forget it, the easy guide to auto brightness on your phone. Ever squint at your phone screen in broad daylight or find it blinding in a dark room? Constantly adjusting the brightness can be a hassle. That's where auto brightness comes in, a handy feature that takes the guesswork out of keeping your display comfortable to view in any lighting condition. What is auto brightness? Auto brightness, also known as adaptive brightness, is a built-in feature on most smartphones that automatically adjusts the screen's brightness based on the ambient light around you. It uses a light sensor to detect how bright your environment is and adjusts the display accordingly. Why use auto brightness? There are several advantages to using auto brightness. Convenience, no more manually fiddling with the brightness slider. Auto brightness takes care of it for you, letting you focus on what's on your screen. Better battery life, a properly adjusted screen brightness can significantly improve your battery life. A brighter screen consumes more power, so auto brightness helps by automatically dimming the display in darker environments. Eye comfort, using the appropriate brightness level helps reduce eye strain, especially at night or in low light conditions. Getting started with auto brightness. Enabling auto brightness is a breeze and typically takes just a few steps. Open your phone's settings app. Navigate to the display or brightness section, depending on your phone's make and model. Look for the auto brightness or adaptive brightness option and toggle it on. Taking control optional. While auto brightness is great for most situations, you might want to fine-tune it for your preferences. Some phones allow you to adjust the auto brightness sensitivity. This lets you control how dramatically the brightness changes based on the light level. Additionally, some phones offer a schedule for auto brightness, allowing you to set times for it to activate or deactivate. Living the auto brightness life. Auto brightness is a simple yet helpful feature that can enhance your smartphone experience. By automatically adjusting the screen's brightness, it saves you time, improves battery life, and reduces eye strain. So next time you're using your phone, enable auto brightness and enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Take care.